I'm Priscilla with the Backyard Homesteader, and today I want to bring you along my little journey here. I was blessed with a new blue Greenstalk, and I'm going to fill it. Come join me. Okay, so here are these beautiful blue Greenstalks, and you can see my furniture is blue. I've got some blue containers, and it looks beautiful. See, I've got blue and blue. These are turquoise, but it it works really well here, and I love it. So I'm going to plant, this is Stevia. I'm going to plant this Stevia and this in one of them. Okay, so actually there's 5 tiers, and so what I'm going to do is in 2 of the tiers will be either Stevia or lemon bergamot mint, okay, on each of them. And then on this top here, I'm gonna put, I don't know, either, oh, I remember, I'm gonna do wild bergamot. I'm going to plant in the top here. It won't be in right away because I have to germinate those seeds, but that will be coming. And then on this one over here, I'm gonna plant the 2, and then the bergamot mint will just be on the inside on top. Make sense? Because it's not gonna have this little reservoir right here, right? It's just gonna be dirt. And so we'll put some wild bergamot in the top there as well on the inside, because the other plants would be towards the outside. Make sense? All right. Well, let's get to it.
Staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. You straighten my shirt, wearing the skirt that my mother gave to you. I come up behind you and kiss on the side of your neck a few, and turn off the lights. The stars in the sky are turning so clear, and without the words, the feelings unheard can still be just as sincere. But something's not right. Something ain't right.
Okay, we're done. We've got our lemon bergamot mint in this tray. I love it. See these? Remember, I left them in my car. I went ahead and planted these. We'll see. We'll see if they come back or not. I just don't know. But we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna give it a go. And then I'm gonna plant some bergamot, wild bergamot in the top here. And then this is Stevia in these bottom two sections. Stevia. All right, so we got Stevia in this one. And wild bergamot will go in these tops here. So I'm pretty excited. It's gonna beautify my little patio here. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I had a ball. I can't wait for these to grow. Can't wait. I'll update you when the wild bergamot gets put in. Until next time, thanks. Mwah. Bye now.